Okay, so in this video, we are going to continue the previous discussion about the vertical line test. Why is it working? And we said that it is because when we draw a vertical line like this one in red, and it hits, or when we draw a vertical line and it hits the graph at more than 2 points, then that's not a function. Why? Because in this example, we see that the vertical line hits the graph at 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, -1. And if we write that in the raster form, it's going to be like this. And then looking at the first elements show up, or the first element, which is 0, shows up 3 times, and that tells us that it is associated to more than just 1 point. It is associated to 1, 0, and -1. So the vertical line test works that way. And it doesn't need to be at all points. Like, I can have a vertical line test going from here to here, and according to that vertical line test, it's only intersecting the graph at 1 point, which is this point. So that would have been okay. But if I use this one, I'll hit the graph at, let's say this is 1 point, at 2 points. So that fails the test for a graph of a function. And we saw that here, that it's intersecting the graph at 3 points. So it has to be purely no intersection at any point in the graph with more than 1 point for it to be considered a graph of a function. Okay, let's move on and let's take a look at other graphs like this one. But let me erase this real quick. Okay, let's take a look at this graph. Is it a graph of a function or not a function? If I draw a vertical line, using the vertical line test, I can draw a vertical line from here to here, from top to bottom, and that will intersect the graph at 2 points, making it not a function. So this one is graph of not a function. Okay, let's have another one. What about this? Function or not a function? Okay, yes, it's not a function because I can draw a vertical line here and it's going to intersect at 2 points. Okay, what about this? Okay, so which one is a graph of a function and which one is graph of not a function? Okay, so as you can see, we got this vertical line right here that, or actually you can draw any, at any part of the graph, you can draw a vertical line and you're always going to intersect at 1 point. So this is a function. Okay, whereas here, we can draw a line here and it will intersect the graph at 2 points, or sorry, a line here, it will intersect the graph at 2 points, even here. So this is not a function. Actually, all we need is just one proof that it intersects the point or the graph at 2 points, and it's already considered not a function. Like here, you can tell, okay, that it's not a function. And that's about it.